Right now. And push the button again, turn it off.
So she's already done the potatoes. How many potatoes was that, Mama Cat, you think?
About 6.
About 6. That is not enough damn potatoes.
You said that. Now you on that video cussing.
Now you got 5.
She's in here cussing on this video.
Eggs. And now she's peeling her eggs. Y'all, this is the magic potato salad. It's the magic potato salad. Right here. And now we got to see how she, look, them shells come right off. Them shells come right off. Mine never does that. See how pretty they is? Never does that.
I tear my eggs all to pieces.
Look at that. How the hell she do that? They come right off.
Don't say that.
By the way, while we're waiting, while she's peeling eggs, I want you to take a look. That is a red velvet cake right there. If you want any, just write to us. We'll send you a piece. $6.99 a piece. $6.99 a piece, folks. And then we've got over here an apple cake. Apple cake. Now let's go back and see the magic of the peeling of the eggs.
This one here's not wanting to peel right.
Best potato salad ever. Now she's got one that's a little bit. Ooh, he's a little bit stubborn, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Now while we're looking at that, I want you to take a look here. She's fried some fat back, and she has. Ooh, look at that cabbage. And then right here is a pot roast.
Boston butt.
Boston butt. Boston butt. Boston butt. So we're going to be right back in a minute, folks. We get some more ingredients together for the famous potato salad. Give me a second. Alright, so now, folks, she's going to chop it up. Mama, show them your chopper. That little chopper right there. And that's about 5 eggs, Mama.
Yeah. It's smelling high.
We fast forward through some things.
Hmm?
So we fast forward through some things.
That's good.
So she's got them all chopped up real fine. That's the perfect little chopper.
You got one in Piggly Wiggly and it's about this long.
So there's the chopped egg.
Seemed like I got Denise one year for Christmas. No, it weren't for Christmas. I just got it and give it to her. I give her food processor one time, and that stupid car Jean took it apart to get that. What is it?
Copper out of it.
Mm-hmm.
Are you kidding me? Lord have mercy. So now she's looking at her potatoes again.
They should be cool enough.
And she's dumping the eggs in. She let her taters cool down some. Mix it in the egg.
Okay. Now we're going to get the salad dressing.
Salad dressing. And she uses the Miracle Whip brand, right, Mama Cat?
Mm-hmm.
She's getting her salad dressing out of the refrigerator.
Might have to open
So,
another jar.
that's the brand right there that she's using. Miracle Whip. Then she's going to add in some Mount Olive sweet relish. So, Mama, how long would you let them cabbage sit over there? They're just starting to boil. So you don't just leave them alone, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
She's turned them on medium. She's seeing if she might need to get some more Miracle Whip and sweet relish. Best tater salad in the world.
One time you couldn't even get the relish.
Mm-hmm. So now, it's like just opening up the Miracle Whip. Folks, we use Miracle Whip here in the South. I don't know about anywhere else in the United States, but Miracle Whip is the best. And mayo, but this has a nice little tank.
Yeah, mayonnaise, Miracle Whip.
It's made by Kraft. They're sitting there watching Perry Mason.
Creamer.
They're watching Perry Mason.
Yeah, he don't come on Saturday night no more on my gun smoke. Had that Dr. Quinn on there one time. And I sure didn't watch her back in the day.
No. We're videoing this because there is no recipe. This is just out of her head and how she feels that it needs to be done. So there's the sweet relish.
Yeah, don't want to pop.
Hold on. Oh, got it.
Mm-hmm.
Now she's going to add the Miracle Whip.
Let's see how this is.
So now she's going to stir it up and she'll understand by the feel of it if she needs to add any other ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
Now she's going to get a little bit of
Yellow coloring.
yellow color. Let's show them what that is. Be real still for a second, Mama. Let's look at it. That right there is some yellow coloring. What brand is that one?
I believe it's Sawyer's.
Sawyer's.
It don't matter. It don't matter about the... I'm doing that so it won't get on my potatoes.
Hey, Tony?
Hey. Hey.
Could you wait a minute till the tater salad's mixed? He's going to pitch fits.
He's got his hands full off. He's got his hands full off. He's going out on the porch.
And that's why. So Tony went out on the porch, so now the dog's going to bark a bunch during the video.
You don't want white.
Yeah. She likes it a little bit on the yellow side, so that's what she's done. Add a little bit of yellow food coloring.
Can I get the tree?
Yeah, they're in the bag over there. Put that gate back, John, if you didn't put the gate back.
It feels good.
All right. So that looks good.
What would you need?
I just wanted to get this video done before he started picking fits. Looks like a fly come in.
It'll come to this window.
So how's you think, Mama? Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, folks, that is Mama Cat's tater salad. You didn't put any salt in it at all?
I salt the potatoes
Okay.
while they're
So
cooking.
you salt the taters while they're cooking. Thank you, Mama Cat. That's all we needed to know. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.